ain't sharing. People ain't caring. Come up in the hood and they take everything you're wearing. Back in the days, it was all about the clubs. The so-called thugs used to dance the break for love. The girls, they wouldn't say hey unless you bought them champagne like it was their birthday. Me, I used to stand outside, hustling my way, and